something to do with a click. Compulsion. Photographers, we love clicking, don't we? We love, oh, it's the shutter. It's an addiction. I never ever get tired of the click, ever. That's one of the reasons I bought the Fuji XPro III was because of the click. Listen. It's lovely, isn't it? Yes, I love the optical viewfinder. I love that the LCD screen folds down so you're not chimping all the time. I love that it's got titanium top and bottom plates. Records 4K video. I love it's got 11 film simulation modes. All of that, I'm loving it, yes. But really, what I'm interested in is the click. I'm a weirdo. So we covered that in the last video. Check it. But it's just like, ah, probably is just me. Do one more. Oh. So I know that the criteria for a lot of photographers, especially street photographers, is a silent shutter, which is it's digital's game, isn't it? The silent shutter. No. So I want it louder, like this. Look. Well, all right, that's a Pentax. I cheated. It's a film camera. But if I could, I'd have that click on the Fuji. If there's a click to be had, count me in. It's like an itch that needs scratching, and if your camera's sitting there and you haven't clicked it for a while, I've got to pick it up, give it a little click. Hopefully, occasionally, that click will come with the added bonus of taking an half-decent photograph, which is it's the icing on the cake, isn't it? Oh, by the way, while I've got your attention, did you know we've got a club? Yeah, Street Photographers Club. Street Photography stroke Creative Club. It's on the CLUBHOUSE platform, and I'm doing it every Wednesday between 2 and 5 PM GMT. Participate, get involved, throw in a topic, ask a question, or just sit and listen if you want. But yeah, it'd be good to see you in there. I'll put a link in the show notes. Hit the like button, please subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a good weekend. I'll see you on the next video.